In this video, we will learn how to use Eomonth function in Excel sheet. So let's start this in Excel sheet. I have here some dates. Eomonth get the last date of the month, means end of month date. So here you can see here this is a January month. So here we get the last month of this month. So let's start is equal to EO day month tab. Select the date comma 0 and bracket close. That's it. Here you can see the last month of January, 31st January 2020. If I want next month last date of month, then you just edit here the function. If I want next month last date, then I enter the one here. You can see 29 Feb is the next month last date. If I want next to next month last date, so enter here 2. This is the 31st March 2020. If I want previous month last date, so I enter here -1 and just enter 31st December 2019. So hope you understand. If you like this, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.